Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to prepare fish using pan fry method. I'm using mackerel fish, also known as cumbia. I've washed it already. I'll gently transfer it into this bowl. I'll spice it up using some curry powder, some thyme, seasoning cube, grounded pepper and some salt to taste. I'll gently mix everything together to make sure that each fish is coated with the ingredients. You can also mix the ingredients separately in a plate, then add little water to form a paste-like consistency before rubbing it on the fish. Just anyone you're most comfortable with. Guys, this mackerel fish is a very healthy fish and is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, protein, vitamins and minerals. It helps to prevent heart-related disease, lower the risk of diabetes, regulate blood sugar level, promotes good eye health, and also helps to boost the overall immunity of the body. If you're not a fan of fish, I advise you start eating fish. It has lots of health benefits and is a great substitute for red meat. Alright, I'll cover the fish, then allow to sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll heat up some vegetable oil in a pan, then gently transfer the fish into the oil. I'll allow it to fry on medium to low heat. For 5 minutes, I'll flip the fish so the other side will perfectly fry as well. Guys, this method of frying fish after marinating will help it not to break. Once the fish is perfectly fried, I'll remove it using a kitchen towel, then place it on a plate lined with paper towel, then repeat the same process for the remaining fish. And guys, our fish is ready. You can choose to enjoy it with any meal of your choice. Thank you very much for watching. Just before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. See you next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.